If you're using Squarespace and wondering how to customize your site's header, the part visitors see first, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Whether you're building a brand, running a business, or just want your site to feel more you, editing your header is one of the fastest ways to make your website stand out. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Squarespace account. You can do this from any web browser. Just head over to the Squarespace homepage and click Login. If your account is connected to Google, select Continue with Google Seabout to save time and skip the password hassle. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard. From here, select the website you want to edit. This will open your site's workspace, where all the customization magic happens. Next, look for the Edit button. Click it, and you'll enter the website editor. Now, hover over the top section of your site. That's your header area. You should see an option to edit site header. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the header editor, you'll find several key customization options. Here, you can update your logo, adjust your navigation menu, add social icons, or even include a call to action button if your design template allows it. To fine-tune the look and feel, click Edit Design. This opens up styling options where you can tweak the layout, font styles, colors, and spacing to perfectly match your brand identity. Whether you prefer a clean minimalist look or something bold and colorful, these controls give you total freedom to experiment. A quick tip: keep your header simple, clear, and consistent with your overall website style. This is often the first thing visitors see, so make sure your logo is readable, your navigation is easy to follow, and your colors complement your brand. Once you're happy with your design, click Preview to check how it looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Squarespace automatically adjusts layouts for mobile, but it's always smart to double check for the best experience. Finally, hit Save. Your updates will go live instantly, giving your website a fresh professional touch, all in just a few minutes. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Squarespace header. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick Squarespace tips, and drop a comment below if you'd like a tutorial on customizing your site's footer or navigation next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.